Hello friends, I'm back with my YouTube channel Let's Learn with Josh. And in today's video, we are not going to learn French. Today, we will learn how to make poster, presentations, cards, lesson plan, and many more in Canva. Canva is in laptop only. So in laptop, you have to open www.canva.com. When you open it, there will be an option of sign up. You have sign up. You have to click in it and enter your email ID and password. Then you will be in a screen of Canva. So I will introduce Canva. Here is the home channel. In templates, there are many options like social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending, and in that many types of things are there. Like in social media, Instagram post, stories, Facebook posts, and many more. So you can go from here also. If you have a business and you have to create, uh, let's suppose a logo. Okay, so we will click on logo, and if you don't want to do that, you can also go in here. There are many options like is shown business card, invitation, technology presentation, and many more. So we have to do uh, logo. So by logo, we have to go in here, business logo. We will click on here, and a dialog box will, uh, the screen will be appear in front of us. It will take a little bit time. Let's wait. And when that open, yes, it has opened. So this has opened. You have multiple options like you have to do for education. Here's the option, or you can also write in here like I want education logos. So I will write in here education education logo, and you will have multiple of logo like in here. It will take a while. Yes. So from here you can make your own logo. If you don't want to create your own logo from here, from the blank starting, you can go in here. The logo has already been made. Like let's suppose we take this one, or we take this one. Yes, we take this one. So something like that. 1 minute, guys. We will click on here, and we get a dialog box, and there's an option of use the template. We will click on it. Then we will have a blank sheet and we have to design on it. So it will take a while again. Yes. So see, the all things here, and in here it is multiple options. I will tell one by one feature in my next video also. This is template, uploads, photos, elements, text, videos, background folders, and many more. But first we will focus on templates. So we choose this. So this is up here. Now you want to change the background of it. So you can do one thing. Click on the white space. Then a color, background color option will be there. Click on it. And like you have to choose purple. Then here's the purple color. You click on it and you get it. But we have dark. So we have to get a light. So light color, we can choose this. Yeah, this is looking good. Or we can choose blue. Yes, this is perfect. And if you have to change like this text, font, size, and color, you can just simply select it and press like I have to do red color. So red, I click on it and we have red color. And this symbol we do not want this. So we can delete it, but it is looking good. So I will show how to delete it. We have to press right button and we have to click delete. So it is deleted. But it was suitable to me, so I'm getting it back. Yes. And if you have do and if you have done something wrong, you can go backwards by this option like this. Good. Yeah. So this is how you can make a simple logo. And in the next video, I will teach you how to make a animated logo by this option. Okay. So here's the end of my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for such amazing videos. Thank you.